Alright, y'all, and I'm not misappropriating anybody's culture. I'm just here because my hair is all ugly and I needed something cute to cover it up.
If I tell you, say I love you, oh. My money, my body, now.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here in the flesh, and I'm back with a brand new video using some brand new products. So I thought it would just be, kind of cool to just do a quick little get ready with me. I just ordered the KKW palette. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh, this is the KKW X Mario Palette. And when I first seen it, I was not impressed by it because I felt like, oh, it just has the basic colors. I don't really see any melanin magic going on in this palette. But honey, when I tried it, look at it. I just feel so glam. I just feel like, okay, Vanessa, you did that. And I absolutely love the palette. The eyeshadows are amazing. And I have been using like a lot of Morphe palettes lately, a lot of Anastasia palettes lately. And this palette is right up there above them. I just want to show you guys something real quick. Let me get a brush. So look at this. I just wanted to show you this real quick. So this color, look at this. You can keep tapping and tapping and tapping, and the kickback is like not bad at all. And that's something that I love about a palette, because a lot of times I have to do my eyeshadow before my foundation, but with this palette, like, listen, you can tap in this palette and you won't have a lot of kickback, and then you can just kind of go into it. I love that about this palette. I think that is amazing. When I'm looking for an eyeshadow palette, I'm looking for two things. One, is it pigmented? And two, does it have that kickback? Because when it's pigmented, you know that the colors will go on and be beautiful. And when it doesn't have kickback, you know it's not gonna fall out, mess up your foundation. And guys, I am here for this look. Like KKW, I've never really tried her products really, but this was something that I had to grab because that blue was just like, what's up with this? So put me on your face, perfect spring and summer. So I did it, and I am loving this look, y'all. I tried a new foundation, I tried a new concealer, I even tried a new brow product that I'm super duper like excited to show you guys, because I got it at Walmart, and you guys know that I am a beauty on a budget kind of girl. But I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me with anything that I do here on my channel. And if there's not anything else, don't forget to subscribe. I just reached 8,000 subscribers, and I'm like, what the heck? I'm so excited about that. We're trying to get to 10K by the summertime, you feel me? But that just comes with me and you. So tell a friend, tell your mom, tell your boyfriend. Don't forget to subscribe and like these videos, thumbs them up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids with some Tarte Shapetape and Tan. I think this is an amazing eyeshadow base. I'm taking my black Radiance loose setting powder, and I actually like this powder. It sets really nicely and stayed in place. I'm taking the KKW palette. The first color I'm going to take is the color Miami, and I'm going to dust that all over my face. And then I'm going in with Decade, and I'm using that to highlight my brow bone, just to give it a pop of color. And then I'm going to take Albanian, and I'm going to put that all over the lid, concentrating it on the outside of the lid. I'm taking that BH Cosmetics times It's My Ray brush, and I absolutely love it. Then I'm taking the bronzy shade called Vegas, and I'm putting that on the outside of my lids, bringing it on in just to further, just give the eyes some smoke. Then I'm taking my NYX multitasker, as always, to put on the shade Libra all over the lids. Before I do that though, I'm just going to take that NYX multitasker and lay it down to kind of cut my crease. And then as you can see, I'm picking up that beautiful shade blue. It's called Libra. I love the shade because it really was pigmented. Like, I was expecting it not to be that pigmented, but it really was. Then I'm taking Loyalty and Albanian again, and I'm placing these on the outside of the eyelid just for a smooth transition. And then I'm taking my Neutrogena makeup wipes and I'm just cleaning up any fallout. And then I'm taking my NYC Liquid Liner and I'm just lining the eyes just to give it a little bit more drama. The foundation I'm using is the NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Cadiz. Really, really love it, and it photographs really well. I had to keep going back and forth to try to fix my eyeliner because, you know, eyeliner can be really testy. And then I'm taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Now, this concealer was really, really too bright for me. As you can see, I was like, whoa. I only put on a little bit of that shade because I didn't want to make my face too bright. So then I'm taking my Tarte Shapetape and I'm mixing that in, and that is in the shade Tan. And that just, you know, it's a full coverage concealer. I love it, love it, love it, as you can see. And then I'm taking my Tarte Beauty Sponge and I'm just tapping this into the skin, bringing in my concealer in toward the nose. I make ugly faces just to make sure I get in all the creases and lines in my face. I'm just going to blend that out as much as possible. I think you should spend the most time on this because blending is the key to a bomb foundation. You feel me? All right, I have to put my hair back a little bit because I have to bronze this forehead, y'all. I'm using the LaGirl Beautiful Bronzer color. And as you guys can see, this was like the perfect contour shade for me because it really, really, really warmed up the skin without making it look too orange or too red. Then I'm going back in with that Black Radiance powder, and you guys, I really like this powder. I'm just not used to it because my skin's a little bit dry, but when I say it lasts all day long. That's one reason why I'm putting it on, because it lasts a long time. And then I'm taking my Sephora Micro Smooth powder and I'm just going over my entire face just to make sure everything is nice and blended. But I'm still looking a little bright, you guys, so it's time for me to bronze. I'm taking my Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Cafe, and you guys, this powder worked so well with that loose setting powder from earlier that I absolutely loved it, and it's now going to be part of my summer foundation routine, and it lasts literally all day long. So look into Black Radiance if you would like some good complexion products, because they are really, really awesome. Then I'm taking my Telling Glow blush slash highlight from MAC. I love this. It just adds that perfect little peachy tone to the skin, and it also is luminous. I'm going back in with the Albanian, and I'm just kind of, you know, smoking out my lower lash line, and I'm picking up that bronzy shade from the palette just to highlight a little bit. And then I'm taking this LaGirl mascara, and I'm just going over my lower lash line just so I can have some really pretty, you know, lashes. And then I'm going in with my Roasted Coffee lip pencil. You guys know this is my favorite lip pencil in the world, and then I'm using my NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Cookie Butter, and then I'm using some Trophy Wife by the Lip Bar. And then I'm going in with my LaBronze highlighter by Jackie Aina. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm just trying to go all out, full out, you know what I mean? Putting a little bit of that La Peach up there as well. And then I'm taking this mic. It's like a pen that I got from Walmart. It's by Salon Perfect. I'll link it down below. And you guys, when I say it just makes my brows look so natural, I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a video using this product. I love it, and it is now like a part of my, you know, brow routine. See how that makes.
And this is the finished look, you guys. I'm just like loving these blue vibes, you feel me? Let me know in the comments below what you guys like to see next, and I appreciate you so much for being here. If you haven't already, check out my other videos. Get caught up to the Vanessa Monet family, because I'm coming back with a whole bunch of videos, so stay tuned. Bye.